Welcome, everyone, to The Real Money Talk. I'm your host, Sid, and I'm thrilled to kick off this new YouTube video series dedicated to personal finance. I'm very excited to guide you through budgeting, saving, investing, and so much more in the world of money management. Without further ado, let's start candid conversations about money and provide you with the tools and knowledge to make informed financial decisions. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the real money talk together. Taxable income includes wages, salaries, business profits, rental income, dividends, interest, capital gains, and certain passive incomes. Differentiate earned, passive, and capital gains income. Each type of income may be taxed differently depending on tax laws. Understand tax brackets, credits, and deductions. Use tax-advantaged accounts and consult with a CPA annually.